Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to my channel Clan Easy English with me, Rihanna Uwaisi. Our today's presentation topic is Defense Day, National Day of Pakistan. So let's start our today's topic. I would like to start my speech with these few lines. If I die on a war zone, box me up and send me home. Put my rifle on my chest. Tell my mom I did my best. Say my nation not to cry. I am a soldier born to die. Defense Day, the National Day of Pakistan. Every year we celebrate this day on 6th of September and pay tribute and homage to our soldiers for their bravery and sacrifices. But why especially this day? Because this day has a history. It was a time of midnight 3 a.m. of 6th of September when our neighbor country India attacked Pakistan without any declaring war. India attacked Lahore, Sialkot and desert areas of Sindh with advanced weapons, missiles and tanks. That was the biggest tank war after World War II, when Pakistan had no advanced weapons, even didn't have any preparation for that sudden war. But our soldiers successfully defend our country under the command of Major Raja Aziz Bhatti Shahid. Our soldiers destroyed their tanks, they laid down their lives but did not allow enemy's tanks to enter in Pakistani soil. Soon after, those tanks were used to make highest military award Nishan-e-Haider for Major Raja Aziz Bhatti Shahid. When India wanted to surprise us, but our soldiers surprised them back with their skills, wisdom, intelligence and bravery. That our Air Force pilot M.M. Alam shot down 5 Indian Air Force aircraft at once, which is still a Guinness record. He just didn't destroy their tanks, but also their dream to conquer Pakistan. War was ended on 22nd of September 1965 that India had to accept defeat and moved backward to save their own country. My dear friends, we are living in a free country because our troops laid down their lives. They protect our motherland with their blood. It is rightly said that a soldier fights not because he hates what is in front of him, but because he loves what is behind his back, and that is his country, people and memories. Dear friends, our soldiers wrote the golden chapter in the history of our country with their blood and bravery. We can never fully thankful to them, but all we can do is to respect our army, acknowledge their achievements and pondering over our past, so that we can become a good citizen of a free country and defend our country from any kind of assault, either it's military assault or assault on our ideology. May Allah give us the strength to do what we say, Ameen. I will end up my presentation with these lines: whenever enemies attack, our heroes held them back. Thank you. So that's it for today's video. Hope you all like it. For more videos, please subscribe, like and share my channel and videos and comment your thoughts. Inshallah, we will meet in my next video. Till then, take a very good care of yourself and others too. Bye-bye. Allah Hafiz.